Hello friends, I'm Melanie from melaniecooks.com, and today I'll be cooking turkey bacon in a microwave. This is so quick and easy. So I'll just take a plate and line it with a paper towel. So paper towel is used to absorb the grease from bacon, and then just add a few slices of turkey bacon on a paper towel. So you can use as many slices as you want. And now let's add this bacon to the microwave. And I'm going to set the time to 2 minutes. So now the microwave is done cooking. So let's take a look at the turkey bacon. Look at this delicious crispy bacon. It looks amazing. So as you can see, 2 minutes in my microwave made bacon very crispy. And microwaves differ, so if yours is not crispy enough, you can always put it back in the microwave for an additional minute. And if this is too crispy for your liking, just cook it less. So 2 minutes is a baseline time. You can cook it for 1 minute or 3 minutes, depending on how you like your bacon. So now let's try it. Look at this crispy turkey bacon. Perfect. Let's try it. So crunchy. This is so good and super easy. For a free printable recipe and other easy recipes, please visit my website, melaniecooks.com. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks, for other very easy recipes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!